Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to redraw your avatar on Roblox mobile. So first of all guys, you have to open a browser on your mobile and go to roblox.com. Now you just need to tap on this menu over here and go to avatar editor. Now if you want to use this avatar editor on your mobile, you have to tap on three dot and go enable this desktop side mode. And if you're on iPhone or iPad, you just need to tap on double A in the search bar here and request desktop website. Now once you're here guys, if you want to redraw your uh, avatar, you just need to tap on this redraw option here and your avatar will be redraw. Or if you want to undo the make changes of on your avatar, then you can just need to tap on this redraw button and your avatar will be reset. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye.